How to download and install Rapido app in your iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can download the Rapido app on your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your App Store. After you open up your App Store, make sure that you're logged into your account. And now all you have to do is search for Rapido. Just type in Rapido and you should find it right here. Tap on Rapido and tap on Get. Now, if you are not in the region, you can just change your region to any region which has the app. So let me just search for that again. And after you search for it, you will find it. Tap on Get and tap on Install. After you do that, you will now start the installation process, and after it installs, you can just use it as you'd like. And that is basically how you get the Rapido app in your iPhone, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.